Very good morning everyone. Welcome to the lecture number 19 of the chapter 6. In this lecture we are going to discuss about another two problems from the same exercise, that is exercise number 6.2, and both the questions are also related to the parallel lines. So let us start with the first question. So for the first question it is given that in the following figure AB line is parallel to the line CD. As you can see, there are two lines AB and CD, and according to the question both the lines are parallel. That is why I have draw a symbol like this. This is the symbol for parallel lines. Okay, so AB line is parallel to CD, and the line EF, this line is perpendicular on CD. This is the symbol for perpendicular. Okay, so the line EF is perpendicular on the line CD. What is the meaning of perpendicular? Perpendicular means 90 degree. So it means the line EF intersect the line CD at an angle 90 degree. They are like this. Okay, so the line EF intersect the line CD at an angle 90 degree. Understood? Next, it is given that the angle GED, this angle, the total angle is equal to 126 degree. Understood? These are the basic data that has been given in this figure. Now by using this data, you have to find the value of the angle AGE. AGE means AGE, this angle, and GEF, this angle, okay, and FGE, this angle. Right? So by using all this data, we have to find out the value of this three angle. Understood? So let us first find the value of this angle. Okay? Which angle? The angle FEG or GEF. Right? We'll find it. How? See, as we know, the total angle is equal to 126 degree. It is given, right? So we can write that the angle GED is equal to how much? 126 degree. It is given. So it is given. Now, can this angle, total angle, can be written as this angle plus this angle? Yes, the total angle can be written as this angle plus this angle. Okay, then this angle means GEF. So GED can be replaced by GEF angle plus this angle plus this angle. And what is the value of this angle? This is 90 degree. So GEF plus 90 degree is equal to 126 degree. Why? Because this angle FED is equal to 90 degree. Okay? So we can easily find the value of GEF. So GEF is equal to 126 degree minus 90 degree, that is 36 degree. Hence, we find the value of this angle GEF. So this angle has been found out. Understood? So now we will find the value of AGE. Okay? So let's find. Now we will find the value of AGE. Okay. So for this, consider the two parallel lines AB and CD. AB and CD are parallel. Suppose AB and CD are parallel and this is a transversal line. We consider the line GE, not FE, GE. Okay. So AB parallel to CD and GE is transversal. Right? Now consider these two lines parallel and this is the transversal line. Okay? Then what is the relationship between this angle and this angle? Forget about everything. Forget about EF, forget about this angle, everything you have to forget. Only consider this two line and this is the transversal line. Then tell me, what is the relationship between this angle and this angle? These two angles are alternate interior angles, and we know the pair of alternate interior angles are equal according to the theorem 6.2. Okay, so you can write the angle AGE is equal to this angle. This angle means GED. Why? Because alternate interior angles, right? Or you can say theorem 6.2. So now AGE will be GED. So what is the value of GED? This is 126 degrees. So you can write 126 degrees. So we find the value of AGE, that is equal to 126 degree. Okay. So now we will find the remaining angle. What is the remaining angle? FGE. FGE. Which angle? This angle. Okay. So for this FGE, for this angle, we have to consider this line. AB is a straight line, and AB is a straight line, and GE is a ray which stands on this line. See, this is a straight line, and this is a ray which stands on it, and GE stands on it. Then the two angles formed, or the two adjacent angles formed, are known as linear pair angles, and the sum of two linear pair angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so we can write this angle, that means 126 degree, plus this angle FGE is equal to 180 degree. So here we find the value of the angle FG is equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. That is equal to how much? It is equal to 54 degree. Hence we find the value of this angle is 54 degree. We have find already the value of this angle is 36 degree, and the value of this angle is 126 degree. So in this way you can find the value of all these three angles. Okay. So let us solve the question number 2. So we have to first understand this question clearly, then we will solve it, right? So according to the question number 2, in the given figure there are two lines PQ and another line ST, and these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, so PQ line is parallel to ST line. This is ST. Okay, since PQ line is very small, then if you want, then you can extend it in this direction. Similarly, ST line can be extended in this direction, no problem at all. Now according to the question, this line PQ is parallel to the line ST, right? Then the angle PQR, this angle is 110 degree, and the angle RST, this angle is 130 degree. Okay, so these are the basic data that has been given in this figure. Now we have to find the value of the angle QRS. QRS means which angle? QRS, this angle, right? By using these data, we have to find out the value of this angle QRS, right? So let's find out. So as it is given that the line ST and PQ are parallel, right? So PQ line is parallel to ST line, and see, this is a transversal line, yes or no? Yes. Suppose this point be U. Now you can say yes, SU is a transversal line which intersect the two parallel lines PQ and ST, right? And SU is transversal. Okay. Then tell me, what is the relationship between this angle and this angle? What is the relationship between this angle and this angle? Now, these two angles are known as co-interior angles because they both lie on the same side of the transversal line and they are interior. So these two types of angles are known as co-interior angles. And according to the theorem number 6.4, we know that the sum of two co-interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So we can write this angle plus this angle, that means 130 degree plus this angle. This angle is SU, suppose this is a point G, plus SUG is equal to 180 degree. Understood? These are the two co-interior angles, and the pair of co-interior angles are added to give 180 degree according to the theorem number 6.4. So here we can find the value of the angle SUG. SUG means this angle is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to how much? 50 degree. So here we find the value of this angle will be 50 degree. Okay, our target is to find this value. Okay, we will now reach at this value. How? See, we find this value as 50 degree. Now consider the straight line PQ and SR. These are two straight lines, yes or no? PQ is a straight line and SR is another straight line. Okay, so PQ and SR intersect each other at a point U, right? So intersect each other at U, this line and this line. Now two pair of vertically opposite angles will form. So this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, and this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles. Since it is 50 degree, then what is the value of this angle? This angle must be 50 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. So we can write that this angle means SUG is equal to this angle means QUR. So QUR is equal to SUG. So what is the value of QUR? SUG is how much? 50 degree. So we find the value of QUR is 50 degree. Since it is 50, that means it is vertically opposite angle, so it must be 50 degree due to vertically opposite angles. Right? Next, this is a straight line. Okay? PQ is a straight line, and on this straight line QR is a ray which stands on it, and QR stands on it. Then two angles are formed, one angle, second angle, and these two angles are known as linear pair angles because this is the straight line on which this ray stands. So these two angles are linear pair angle, and the sum of two linear pair angle is equal to 180 degree. So we can write this angle plus this angle means UQR is equal to 180 degree. So here we find the value of UQR minus 110 degree, that is 70. So we find the value of UQR is equal to 70 degree. Right? This value is 50 degree, this value is 70 degree. Now our final target is to find this value QRS. Okay, how can we find it? Now consider this. This is a what? This is a triangle. Okay, so QRU is a triangle, and in triangle the sum of all the angles is equal to how much? 180 degree. So we can write that this angle plus this angle means QRS. QRU or QRS, right? Plus this angle. Three angles are added to give 180 degree. Now 70 plus 50 are 120 plus QRS is equal to 180 degree. Hence QRS is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is 60 degree. Okay? Hence you find the value of the angle QRS. In order to reach at this point, you have to first consider these two lines as parallel. Now these two angles are co-interior, so they are added to give 180 degree. If it is 130, then it must be 50 because 130 plus 50 is 180. Now these two angles are vertically opposite, so if it is 50, then it must be 50. Now these two angles are linear pair. If it is 110, then it will be 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now in this triangle, these two are added to give 70 plus 50 is 120. Then what is the value of this angle? 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Hence the value of QRS is 60 degree. Okay.